Nestled on the edge of Nagpur lies Gorewada Lake, a quiet escape where the water meets the sky. Here, clouds drift gently above. Reeds sway with the breeze. And wild blossoms add color to the shores. It's more than just a lake. It's a living landscape, a place where nature breathes in harmony. The lake was still for a while, but quiet places never stay silent for long. A wagtail appears. Then comes a flash of green and gold, a bee-eater with breakfast in its beak, effortless, bright, and beautiful. By the water's edge, the Kingfisher dives, and the still lake bursts into life. It rises with a catch, glimmering with droplets of morning light. Cormorants spread their wings wide, letting the sun dry the last traces of the lake. One takes off, leaving behind a scatter of silver ripples. An egret moves through the reeds, every step measured and slow. While on a branch, a group of swallows rest, watching the day unfold. Everything here moves in its own rhythm. The lake, the wind, the wings. And after a while, when the light grew softer and the forest called again, I decided to move ahead, toward the trail that begins beside the lake, just beyond the small temple under the trees. After bowing to Bajrangbali, I stepped onto the trail, a narrow path that winds quietly through the forest. High above, a honey buzzard sits still, shaking off the morning breeze. In the trees, the Ioras hops from branch to branch. While silverbills chatter softly among the reeds. Then, a sudden rustle. A peacock leaps from the forest floor to a branch, spreads its feathers and begins to preen in golden light. movement between the trees. A small herd of spotted deer, shy, almost invisible. At the 1 kilometer point, the trail opens to a view. The lake glimmers below, and the forest breathes around. A couple sits quietly, taking in the same stillness that holds every creature here. Among the branches, a Paradise Flycatcher feeds its young. Life continuing in its simplest, purest form. At the end of the trail, the forest opens to this peaceful view. The sounds fade, but the calm stays with you. Every visit here feels different, yet somehow always the same. Gorewada reminds us that nature doesn't rush. It simply is.